बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वो तो एक मामूली क्लर्क है। He is an ordinary clerk. He is an ordinary clerk. आजकल काम जोरों पर है। There is a heavy pressure of work these days. There is a heavy pressure of work these days. साहब हैं? Is the boss in? Is the boss in? इस दफ्तर में हेड क्लर्क ही सब कुछ है। The head clerk is all in this office. The head clerk is all in this office. ये क्लर्क अफसरों के मुंह लगा हुआ है। This clerk is a favorite of all officers. This clerk is favorite of all officers. मैं आपसे इस बारे में बाद में बात करूँगा। I will talk to you about this later on. I'll talk to you about this later on. क्या बॉस अंदर है? Is the boss inside? Is the boss inside? आज आप दोपहर के खाने के लिए कहाँ जाएंगे? Where will you be going for lunch today? Where will you be going for lunch today? उसे छुट्टी नहीं मिल सकी। He could not get a leave. He couldn't get a leave. क्या आप मुझे फाइलें पास कर सकते हैं? Can you pass me the files? Can you pass me the files? बेहतर होगा कि आप इस्तीफ़ा दे दें। It is better if you resign. It's better if you resign. आज मैं बहुत मसरूफ़ हूँ। I am very busy today. I am very busy today. यहाँ दस्तखत कीजिए। Please sign here. Please sign here. उसे वार्निंग दे दी गई है। He has been warned. He has been warned. मुझे ट्रंक कॉल करनी है। I want to make a trunk call. I want to make a trunk call. उसे छुट्टी नहीं मिली। He could not get a leave. He couldn't get a leave. मेरी दरख्वास्त मंजूर हो गई थी। My application was accepted. My application was accepted. आज मैं बहुत मसरूफ़ हूँ। I'm very busy today. I am very busy today. आप किस ओहदे पर हैं? What post do you hold? What post do you hold? बेहतर होगा आप इस्तीफ़ा दे दें। It's better if you resign. It's better if you resign. क्या तुम इसी दफ्तर में नौकरी करते हो? Are you working in this office? Are you working in this office? साहब हैं? Is the boss in? Is the boss in? इस मौजू पर बात नहीं हुई। This point was not touched. This point was not touched. आप किस पोस्ट पर हैं? What post do you hold? What post do you hold? उसे अपनी कामयाबी पर बड़ा गुरूर है। Success has gone to his head. Success has gone to his head. उसे तनबीह कर दी गई। He has been warned. He has been warned.